pa ang kapable na magtrabaho sa Indo na pwede kitang makatabang na matawan ka mo ng trabaho, hindi sa nada. Ano ba? So yan, mag-ano mga po doon ka po tabi, Ronald, nga sa imo mismo magmula ang pangapunan ka.
Kung isa mo po ang pwedeng makatabang sa muya, kapasitis ka na po para maaraman na po kung anong nabamata ni Mama. Naagad man po kung tabang.
Oo. Okay, so Ronald, hilingon ta kung anong magigibo kan damayan ka Brazil para kay mama mo. Kay Puhan magpangadyo ka, sagod ikadua itong mga dokumento natin agad partner na Ma'am Marian, mai-kumpleto mo. Naon man lang yan dyan, aram ko na iwan na kamukayan. I-prepare mo lang ang ating pag-abot ng pagkakataon may maipapapili kita sa mga matabang sa inyo. Maray na hapon sa inyo.
Gusto kong idagdag partner man na ining dada kan pakabalo. Nagbarangay tanod minsan babae. Tanganing for you to survive. Kasi kung ano pang trabaho ang tiglaugan niya. Kaya langon niya na nakaratay siya, nahiling ta sa TV screen na talagang medyo nagniwang na si mama mo. Grabe nang maray niniwangan. Aram ko ang kasakitan ng buot na nahiling nindo ang inanindong araw ka ng kamugtakan. Masakit na maray. So mga tugang, ini nag-aapila po kami bako sana sa mga kongresista na nakakahilingon yan o mga politiko. But rather po, we're knocking at your door na kung pwedeng maapudan po kami sa numbers na 4730922 or kaya 0917619875 or kaya 0908891632 kung gusto man ka mong makatabang po, Didi kay Ronald Breñas, ang ina niya, may helang. Yun lang po yan. We'll be back after a few reminders.
Okay.
Turn up the music, let's get out on the floor. I like to move it, come and give me some more. Watch me getting physical, out of control. There's people watching me, I never miss a beat. Oh, 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 oh. Na, 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 na. Oh, 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 oh. Na, na, na.
One, two, three.
Never had much faith in love or miracles. Never wanna put my heart on the line. But swimming in your world is something spiritual. I'm gonna get every time you spend the night. 'Cause your sex takes me to paradise. Yeah, your sex takes me to paradise and it shows. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 'Cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven for too long, for too long. Yeah, you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven for too long, for too long. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. 'cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven for too long, for too long. Yeah, you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven for too long, for too long. Can I just stay here, spend the rest of my days here? Can I just stay here, spend the rest of my days here? 'Cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven for too long.
Mga kaibigan, isang oras na naman na nagdaan.
Isang oras na puno ng buhay at pag-asa.
Isang oras ng tsikahan, paghatid ng saya, at pagbago sa buhay ng isang Bicolano. Baliktad.
Diba naman? Diba naman?
Ang gulo.
Ano to? Parang sila itong meron na ato ba?
Toots, we would like to thank everyone for watching the whole season of the Marian Cabral Show with Toots de la Torre. This is the season ender, which is the episode 12, remember? Kaya po, nagpapasalamat kami sa pag-iba nindo sa muya, sa pagdala nindo sa muya, asin daw puro paano nakahirasman kami ng kaugmahan, ng impormasyon, asin ng tabang sa indo po gabos na gandaralan sa muya. So, Toots,
Yes, we would like to thank all of you, our dear viewers, for being with us during the whole season. And kami ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa Marian Cabral Show with Toots de la Torre.
yeah, I would like to thank you Toots for bearing with me and for being a good sport.
It's my privilege, it's my honor to
And-
be with the show, and I had fun.
Yeah.
I had fun being with the Marian Cabral Show. I'm happy because I'm glad.
And I know that na from season 2 and season 3 na nag-abot sa Subuya si Mr. Toots de la Torre, napamarahay po ang mga show. Nakadakol siya na contributive na mga detalye na for this. We would like to thank you for the deepest part of our lives. Because aram ko ang kaugmahan, karahayan, asin pagbabago sa Marian Cabral Show.
Salamat sa satuyang viewers. Salamat sa satuyang sponsors, our crew, our segment producers, our staff in the office. We had so much fun. We traveled to so many places.
Yes.
We met a lot of people.
Yeah.
And there are a lot of fun memories that
Yes.
we will bring with us because of the wonderful experiences that we had.
Yes. And of course, our cameraman, in the person of Chris Valenciano.
Yes, si Chris Valenciano.
And of course, Mabel Carreras Valles, Mia, Perez, and of course, itong Green, Perez, of course, Blasado, and of course, April Bailon. Nagkapasalamat kami kanyan. And at this point in time, gusto kong ibalik itong the Misibis Bay. Remember the first time? And of course, itong Sibuta, magigirumduman ta. And of course,
We
ito
went
pang
to Villa Escudero.
Villa Escudero. Yes.
We went to San Bernardino.
Yes. And we were able to do the commercials there. And
We went to CWC.
yes.
We went to the different hotels in Naga.
Yes.
Avenue Plaza Hotel.
Villa Castres, Hotel. and many more. And you've been a great part of the Marian Cabral Show. Sabi nga niya, ang pagtatapos ng sarong season, may kaugmahan, pero may kamunduan manggiraray ta. Nagtatapos kita sa sarong season. But mahaloy po kaming makabalik sa entitled po kita ni Hayatus for about a month or 2 months. Mabalik po ang The Marian Cabral Show in season 4. And we'll be bringing you more fun, more stories, more tourist spots na isa-showcase ta.
More people to help.
More people to help. Yeah, that's it. And
More people who will help.
who will help. And we would like to invite everyone for the sponsorship of the Marian Cabral Show to sustain po itong mga tinatabangan ta, araw kasubago na pinahiling ta na nangangaipon ng medical assistance na nangangaipo talagang maray that will be able to fast track and will be able to help and makadugtong ning buhay sa paagi kang The Marian Cabral Show. And I know that this will go on, with, of course, with God's help, and of course, you people who are always watching us. So, Tus, thank you so much.
Yes, I'm happy because I'm glad. Thank you.
And don't forget, mga tugang, that you have watched The Marian Cabral Show with.
Goods de la Torre.
And here we are, saying goodbye and God bless. Ating Tabang Bicol noon, naka-flash po sa mga TV screens ang mga requirements kung paano maka-avail ng tulong medikal dito sa The Marian Cabral Show. Kailangan niyong gumawa ng letter of intent. Nakapaloob dito ang dahilan kung bakit gusto niyong maka-avail ng medical assistance. I-address niyo po ito kay Miss Marian Cabral. Sa mga estudyante din na gustong makapagtapos, ngunit may kakulangan pinansyal, bukas din ang The Marian Cabral Show para sa inyo. Ang The Marian Cabral Show ay bukas din sa lahat ng mga tao na nangangailangan ng libreng counseling. Makokontak kami sa numerong 4730922, 0917-619-8752, 0908-8916-328, and 0922-863-1287. Makukuha niyo po ang aming office sa 2nd floor, Alvarez Building, number 36, General Luna Street, Naga City. At hanapin lamang si Miss Marian Cabral. Maraming salamat, mga tugang!